More than 82% of new car sales were electric vehicles last year.
Goal is that all new cars by 2025 will be zero-emission vehicles.
Oslo is also electrifying its ferries, buses, semi-truck.
All public transportation within the end of this year will be zero emission.
How has Norway's grid been able to handle all those EVs? A lot of hydropower.
The streets are quiet in Oslo. The air is pleasantly free of fumes.
In the whole new market, they can sell energy to cars, as well as energy for people and food.